Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to improve the recording quality in OBS Studio. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Settings menu in OBS Studio. Once you're in the Settings, select the Video tab from the side. Here, set your base can resolution to 1920 by 1080 or match it to your screen's native resolution. Then, set the output, scaled, resolution to 1920 by 1080 as well. This ensures your recordings are captured in full HD, giving you that crisp 1080p quality. Also, make sure your common FPS values are set to 60 for smooth and fluid motion in your recordings. After making these changes, click Apply at the bottom. Now, let's move on to the output settings. Under the output mode, switch to Advanced to access more detailed options. From here, go to the Recording tab. For the recording format, I recommend using MP4. It strikes a good balance between quality and file size, making it ideal for most users. In the encoder settings, you'll find the bitrate option. A higher bitrate generally means better recording quality, but it also increases the file size. For most situations, a bitrate of 10,000 or higher should suffice. However, if you're looking for the best possible quality, consider increasing the bitrate to 16,000 or even 20,000. Now, if your OBS Studio shows CQ level instead of bitrate, here's what to do. The lower the CQ level number, the better the quality of your recording. A CQ level of 18 is a great starting point and should work well for most people. If you're recording content that isn't gameplay, such as tutorials or vlogs, you can actually lower the FPS to 30 in the video settings. This reduces the number of frames per second from 60 to 30, which allows you to achieve the same image quality at a lower bitrate. Once you've adjusted all these settings, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. You're now all set with optimized settings that will greatly improve the quality of your OBS Studio recordings. And that's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.